Shadow of my childhood, I lived in chains. A silent scream, drowning in the sea of pain. Mom and Dad had plans, built a life for me, but their dreams were heavy, never set me free. You wanted a hands for labor, not a heart for dreams. Counting all my failures, tearing at the seams. Every chord was a reminder, every word a knife, a servant to your wishes. Never live my life, but I'm still here singing my worries in a tune made of sorrow, wrapped in my stories. I try to run, I try to hide, but the weight of your dreams won't let me slide. I just wanted to breathe, I just wanted to be not a shadow of your legacy. Climbing every mountain just to feel alive, but you looked down on me, never saw me strive. Each small success crushed beneath your doubt. I'm reaching for the stars while you were pulling me out. You wanted a perfect shadows, not a light that blinds. Build me in your image, but I'm breaking the binds. Every glance a present, every sign a chain. I'm writing out my story, breaking through the pain, but I'm still here singing my worries in a tune made of sorrow, wrapped in the stories. I try to run, I try to hide, but the weight of your dreams won't let me slide. I just want to breathe, I just want to be not a shadow of your legacy. So I stand up tall, though the sign cries, I'll bend my own path across the endless skies. You can't hold me back, I have found my own way through the past still haunts me. I won't fade away, I'm still here singing my worries in the song of my own, breaking down those worries. I rise above and I'll reclaim every ounce of love, every drop of shame. I just want to breathe, I just want to be, bringing light to my life, setting my soul free. So let the echoes linger, let the music play in dance of my freedom. I'll find a way, though the scars may linger, I'll bear them like a goal. In the story of my life, I'll finally be born.